Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The Best QT baking dish is probably one of the most versatile and essential tools in any kitchen, perfect for everything from weeknight casseroles to holiday roasts. And today we're diving deep into 3 top contenders to help you find the perfect one for your culinary adventures, ensuring your meals are not only delicious but also beautifully presented. Number 5. OXO Good Grips 9x13 Glass Baking Dish with Lid. Introducing our versatile baking dish, crafted from strong borosilicate glass. It's designed to withstand extreme temperature changes, moving safely from your freezer directly to your oven without any risk of cracking. Enjoy pure flavor every time. This glass won't stain or absorb odors, making it incredibly easy to clean after every use. Baking is made easier with generous handles that provide a safe and secure grip. You can confidently move it from one place to another. The included BPA-free lid is designed to be slosh-proof, preventing messy spills. It also allows for convenient stacking, saving you valuable space in your kitchen. Ensure perfect results with convenient dimension markings right on the dish. You'll always know you're using the right size for your recipes. This dish offers ultimate convenience. It's microwave safe, dishwasher safe, freezer safe, and completely BPA-free for your peace of mind. What we like? This dish is built for ultimate convenience, from freezer to oven. Its slosh-proof lid makes transport a breeze. If you're looking for a reliable dish that can handle extreme temperature changes and prevent spills during transport, this is the one for you. What people say. The baking dish is a great size for small batches. It heats evenly and is easy to clean. The handles make it easy to carry. Number 4. Libbey Elegant Glass Round Casserole Dish with Lid. Elevate your kitchen with this essential bakeware set. It includes a 3-quart glass baking dish and a matching round glass cover, perfect for any recipe. Crafted from fine quality glass, this covered dish comes with a lid to keep your food rich and flavorful. Its stackable design also helps you serve your creations in style. Featuring clear glass walls, you can effortlessly monitor the baking process from all sides. The integrated handles ensure safe and easy carrying to the table. These durable baking dishes are dishwasher safe for a quick and easy cleanup. Handle them with care to preserve their charm for prolonged use. Perfect for preparing dishes, baking cakes, or cookies. This elegant bakeware is safe for use in the microwave, freezer, and refrigerator. What we like? This option offers an elegant look for serving your culinary creations. Its stackable design is great for saving space. If you prioritize aesthetics and need a dish that looks as good as it cooks, especially for serving guests, consider this elegant choice. What people say. Especially the ability to pour out liquid with the cover on. No spills. Easy to clean. The glass is sturdy and doesn't absorb odors or stains, which is a big plus for me. The cover fits securely, keeping everything fresh, and it's super easy to clean. I also love that it's microwave and oven safe, so I can use it for a wide variety of recipes. These are high-quality, heavy-duty, casserole dishes. What I like better about these than some others I've had in the past is that the handles are slightly larger and therefore easier to grip and hold. Number 3. Pyrex 3QT Rectangular Glass Baking Dish with Lid. Introducing the Pyrex 3-quart rectangular glass baking dish. It's perfect for all your baking needs, from preparing meals to storing leftovers. Crafted from durable tempered glass, this dish is built to last. It resists stains and odors, ensuring long-lasting reliability in your kitchen. This versatile dish is safe for use in the microwave, oven, freezer, and refrigerator. It's ideal for baking, serving, and convenient food storage. It comes complete with a BPA-free red food storage lid. This lid is specifically designed for a secure fit, ensuring your food stays fresh. Cleanup is a breeze. The glass dish is fully dishwasher safe, and the lid is safe for the top rack. Enjoy effortless maintenance. Proudly made in the USA, you can trust in the quality and craftsmanship of this essential kitchenware. What we like? This dish is proudly made in the USA, ensuring quality craftsmanship. It features a lid specifically designed for a secure fit. If you value domestic production and need a dependable dish for everyday baking, leftovers, and food preparation with a guaranteed lid fit, this is a solid pick. What people say. This baking dish is perfect for baking cakes and casseroles. The dish is made of durable stoneware and is oven safe up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. It is also microwave and dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. Number 2. Le Creuset Stoneware Heritage Square Dish. Experience perfectly even cooking with our premium stoneware. It ensures uniform browning and eliminates hot spots for consistently delicious results. Enjoy your meals at the ideal temperature. This dish excels at keeping food warm or cold, making it perfect for serving. The vibrant, non-porous glaze is built to last. It resists scratches, stains, and won't absorb flavors, keeping your dish looking beautiful. Thanks to its virtually non-stick interior, food releases with ease. This means quick and simple cleanup after every meal. From freezing cold to intense heat, it handles it all. It's safe for use in the freezer, oven, microwave, broiler, and dishwasher. Don't worry about using your favorite utensils. This dish is safe for use with metal utensils, offering you complete freedom in the kitchen. What we like. Experience exceptional heat distribution and retention with this premium stoneware. Its non-reactive and scratch-resistant glaze ensures longevity and easy cleaning. If you're a baker who demands uniform browning and wants a dish that maintains food temperature for serving, this is an excellent investment. What people say. It's a good size for baking small batches of cookies or for casseroles. The dish is deep enough to hold a good amount of food without overflowing. It's made of durable ceramic that heats evenly and is easy to clean. Number 1. NutriChef 8-piece deep glass baking dish set. Introducing our 8-piece bakeware set, designed to handle all your cooking and baking needs. From casseroles to lasagna, these dishes are perfect for any recipe. Crafted from high borosilicate glass, these dishes offer superior resistance to thermal shock and chemicals. This makes them a safe and reliable choice for your kitchen. Bake with confidence, as these dishes are oven safe up to an incredible 968 degrees Fahrenheit. They are perfect for creating delicious baked goods, pastries, or even serving your favorite dishes. Enjoy easy cleanup with these stain and flavor-resistant dishes. While dishwasher safe, hand washing is recommended to ensure their longevity. Designed for convenience, the stackable feature allows for easy storage in your kitchen. They are compatible with both standard and convection ovens, as well as microwaves, refrigerators, and freezers. This comprehensive 8-piece set includes 4 rectangular baking dishes in various sizes, along with 4 BPA-free lids. It's everything you need for preparing and storing your meals. What we like. This set is made from high borosilicate glass, offering superior resistance to thermal shock. It's safe for incredibly high oven temperatures. If you're a serious baker who frequently uses high heat or needs a durable, versatile set that includes multiple sizes for various recipes, this set is ideal. What people say. The glass is thick, sturdy, and feels high quality, no concerns about cracking or warping in the oven. The deep design is a big plus, especially for layered dishes or meals with sauces. The lids fit securely and make it super convenient to go straight from oven to fridge without transferring food to another container. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.